Hello all. This is a follow-up to the last email or to the last video because something weird happened that I wasn't expecting. And it was the animation of scale. I want to follow up with this because it looks like on my computer there is something wrong with the scale animation. But if I take this, all I did was created a new thing. Well, let's just show you. I'm going to drag in another image here. Other images. I'm going to drag in this image, let's say. Just anywhere in the timeline. I don't care where it is. I just wanted to see it. Okay. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, there we go. If I animate scale, right, I start here, I move the playhead, I make it bigger. This actually should animate, but my screen isn't updating. It's not updating, and I actually have to render it to see that update. I'm going to delete that. Now look at this. If I turn off animation for scale, if I animate position, it drops a keyframe. I move my playhead here, double click this, move it. Oh, this isn't going to work well. I want to find a... Let's do this one. Let's do this one. So drag this in here. Yeah, there we go. Let's say we go like this. There. Let's say I start here, and I'm going to go to my effects controls. If I animate position, drag my playhead over here, double click in my program monitor, and move it this way, that is animated. So for some reason, the scale animation tool is not working in this version of Premiere. Now,
so what? I do. What you just...
It could be that it's a glitch that's in all of our software. It could be that it's my computer is just running out of memory. It could be, oh my gosh, of course. I don't know. Look at my C drive. My C drive is red. That's bad. I have too much stuff on my computer. Okay, maybe it's me. But I just wanted to point out that not all of the animations are bad. I guess movement works. So hopefully your scale works in real time. Hopefully your position does. And if not, you just have to know to make an in point, make an out point. Whoops. In point. Drag your playhead, make an out point, and go to sequence, render into out, and that will update all of the frames. Okay, that's your job. I think you're all set. You can start working on your animatic for your still image video. Do think about visualization concepts. How are you going to visualize what is in the audio? And next week, we'll get into even adding text and other graphical components. All right, have a good week and get started, and good luck.